Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Saturday, March the 2nd, and we are going to be doing some cleaning. The kids and I are going to be in the living room. It is zone 5 because I think, okay, make sure I got this right. My Flylady buffs, y'all tell me if I get this right. So the last full week or the 5th week of January that goes into the first couple of days of March are all in this week. So we're in zone 5, which only gives us, well, it gave us yesterday and today, but I did not clean yesterday. So we have one day to do zone 5, which is a living room, and the kids are not going to tackle this. Alana is actually on the other side working on the kitchen. So that's what we're going to do. We are going to declutter. I have some things up here that I need to get rid of. I've got some things up here that I need to get rid of, and some things up here that I need to get rid of. And then we're going to do a good job of just some dusting. And I want to make sure we spray down the couches. This is the face of the kid who doesn't want to clean. Let me see the face. It's a great face. Then I've got some stuff up here I want to declutter. So the kids and I are going to do a little bit of decluttering, probably about 15 minutes. I hate to say that because I don't actually declutter like Flylady. I just kind of, I do space by space and I'll declutter as I'm going along. But anywho, we thought you might enjoy kind of hanging out with us. We have not done Flylady a lot. I clean as a general rule, but I do like the Flylady system. So we are going to be doing the Flylady for this month. The dogs are acting nuts over here with each other. This is what they do. I'm letting them be great. Just be great. It's what they do every day of my life. Anywho, Jackson and I are going to get started on a couple things and just get her done. We'll take you around and I'll stop if I need to and just kind of explain something, but I'm going to kind of fast forward through a lot of this just because it's regular cleaning. But I do want to, over here, Alana's clean dishes. Over here where the house is, I found another piece because I kind of want to make this a collage wall. So I want to put some stuff over here and then of course some stuff over here on the wall. Over here, but I'm not sure how it's gonna work out. So I have a few pieces that I'm going to try to place to see if it would work out. I don't know, so I don't want to say for sure, but I'm gonna try to do a few things. Like I said, the kids and I are gonna declutter some stuff, and again, the face of the kid who doesn't want to be cleaning. Show the face, kid. Whatever. So we're getting ready to jump in, and we just thought you'd like to hang out with us as we
you guys,
get
so
cleaning.
This table right here is in my living room, and I got this from a home goods swap. And so I'm going to be painting this. Right now it's kind of a pastel yellow, but I'm going to spray, and I like all the edges and roughed up scuffs and all of that. But I want to make the living room pop out a little bit. Like I have muted colors here, but that's a deep red, and then muted colors on the curtains. You can't really see real well, and I apologize for that. But I found some spray paint, and it was raining, so I wasn't going to spray paint, but now it stopped raining, so I'm going to take this table out on the front porch and have Jackson help me to get it out there, and then I'm going to spray paint this piece a darker yellow than what it is right now, and then we'll bring it back in. But as we move it, because we're going to actually move the couches, because ma'am likes to position herself under this couch. So we're going to sprinkle some baking soda and all of the things. We're going to roll the couches and do everything that we need to do, and spray everything down with the Caldrea spray. This has been my setup. I need one of those table tray things, but it's just sometimes easier to sit here and work. I've got to figure this out. And then you have Lazy Dog. Hey, buddy. Hey, ma'am. Hey, ma'am. Anywho, so I'm going to get this moving, and then we're going to, Alana's already grabbed our cleaning stuff, and then we've got some candles we want to light. So we're going to, it's not going to take us long. It just seems that way because we really haven't done a lot in this space for a while, but we're getting ready to move on. So hang out with us as we do it. Okay, you guys, so we are done. We didn't get a lot of clips, and we apologize for that. But I had a phone call come through, and I really needed to take that. So we just cleaned as I was talking on the phone. So just a brief overview. We did all the dusting, and we brushed out the chairs, and we sprayed everything down with the Caldrea spray. This little table was really dirty. It had a lot of dust on it, so we just took that out and dusted out all the window sills, washed the windows, and then this chair as well. We took down one of the things that was up here, and then we took down a couple things that were up there and some things that were up here. We didn't touch that up there. I just didn't have time. And so we wiped down. We did a full thorough dust. I do have a pink bubble bag that I've got to do this week. And blanket here. So we dusted everything. Look at that neat little thing I got from Goodwill several weeks ago. I just have to find a home for it. And so we just made sure to vacuum really well. Alana dusted down all of this and all of these. And then we moved the couches so that we could vacuum, because ma'am makes her home underneath this couch. And so we sprinkled it. But here is probably my favorite piece. This is the coffee table. I will need to spray it again, but this is the coffee table. I think this is called Sunflower Yellow. I think it's a crayon spray paint, high gloss, but it's called Sunflower Yellow. And I love it. Before it was just like a dull yellow color, but I really like the freshness of the bright yellow. But anyway, that is our brief Flylady Zone 5 Lazy Dog. I did replace some flowers. They're all yellow flowers here that we put those in. But there it is. So that is our Flylady Zone 5. We just did just enough. Made sure to wipe all of that out. We dusted. It was a lot of dusting and vacuuming over and over. So there it is, Zone 5. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. We hope you enjoyed this video, brief as it was. If you have any questions, please feel free to let us know. And we'll see you in Zone number 1 next week. Bye now.